everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie and today we are in week 6 of the How to Create Your Dream Space series. Thank you so much for letting me carve out this creative journey for you. I've been getting so many amazing comments from you letting me know that this process has made interior design more simple, fun, and easier for you. 6 weeks in and we are finally creating mood boards. Some people start with this step, but I find that it's imperative for me to teach you the fundamentals of interior design like space planning and function before your mind starts to drift off and wander and dream up all these crazy designs that never come to fruition. I want to reel you back into reality with pieces that you have sourced to fit perfectly within your space, while allowing your creativity to soar with home decor, artwork, and accessories, what I like to call the finishing pieces for every room. So what is a mood board? A mood board is how you visually communicate ideas for a project. It could be a physical board that you tape images to, or it could be a digital board with inspiration that you constantly refer back to. The purpose of a mood board is to help you explore ideas and figure out if the mood, the colors, the furnishings, and the style all vibe together. The more discerning you are with your mood board, the greater chance of success you'll have with your dream design. A mood board keeps you focused on the look and the style that you're trying to achieve. It could be a mix of images, interiors, elements, furnishings, colors, accessories, artwork, anything that helps you create the dream space you are after. The goal is to put everything in one place, take a step back, and figure out what works well together and what doesn't. A mood board helps you make informed decisions so you don't make costly mistakes down the road. Using the pieces that you've already sourced and pre-shopped, we will now be putting all of these elements together to create your digital mood board. You can go the old school method by printing out all of these images that you've saved in your folders. You would print all the pictures out, lay them on your table, and move them around until you're happy with the end result. You can go one step further and tape them onto a board so that you could see it right in front of you. In this video, I will show you 3 ways to create digital mood boards, which is the method that I like to typically use before I can fully commit to a design. The first method is through Pinterest. Pinterest is by far the easiest method to convey your design direction. Once you open Pinterest, you'll start pinning rooms, color palettes, styles, furniture, and accessories you've sourced and shopped from the previous weeks. Stay focused and pin only what is in line with all the work you've done so far. Pin great lighting that will go perfectly with that sectional for your living room. You can even pin artwork that could be the finishing piece for your bedroom. If you're pinning individual pieces of furniture or lighting, look for ones with a clean white background so it doesn't clutter your mood board and derail from the vibe that you are going for. You can also pin images you find directly from websites outside of Pinterest. Just download Pinterest to your computer and add the icon to your toolbar. Then you'll be able to pin pretty much anything you find online. It's so easy to add and delete images as you go. It's all collated right there in a folder for you to peruse and edit right on Pinterest. I love that you can also share it with your friends, family, and designer in case you want a second opinion. You can have others add to your mood board and make notes on each image as well. It's simple, effective, and does the job. One of the cons is that you can't print it out from the app. This mood board stays on Pinterest, but you can take a full screen capture with a free app like Go Full Page Screen Capture. It's a Google Chrome extension that you can install, and once you click it, it takes a full screen capture of everything you have on that screen. This is different than the typical print screen key that's on your keyboard. The print screen key only captures what's immediately visible on your monitor. The Go Full Page Screen Capture captures the entire window as you have it open. So you can save this mile-long Pinterest mood board and print it out as a PDF. The second method I'd like to introduce you to is a free app called Canva. Canva allows you to create mood boards and social media templates. You collect your images online and right-click to save the image or do a screenshot. You'll simply save as and save it right into your computer's databank. If Save As is not available, you can bypass this command and install the snipping tool on a PC that will allow you to drag and clip the portion of the image that you want. If you're a Mac user, press and hold Shift Command 4, then drag the crosshair to select the area of the screen you want to capture. Once you've captured your image, you'll do a file place into your mood board file. Then you can resize your images, move them around, and easily add text. And lastly, we have my favorite method, Photoshop. If you're unfamiliar with Adobe Suite products, Photoshop is one of my tried and true favorites. I pretty much use Photoshop to create digital mood boards for all of my clients. Once you save your images to a folder on your computer, you'll open the app and designate an arbitrary size. I always use the letter size, so when I send it to my clients, they can easily print it out. Photoshop is flexible and allows me to play with graphics, sizing, fonts, and backgrounds. It's clearly more artistic than a simple save that you can do right on Pinterest, but it's also more time-consuming if you aren't familiar with Adobe Suite products or Photoshop. However you decide to create your mood board, remember that the ultimate goal is to make decisions that speak to your lifestyle, aspirations, and personality. Add images and elements to your mood board that you are actually going to source in the space. Take a step back and ask yourself, do you like what you see? Can you do better? Play around with the combinations until you're happy and satisfied with the mood, colors, combinations, and details. The goal is to love your space and have a blast designing it. It's less about dreaming and more about doing. My goal for you is to design for the life that you want, not for the life that you have. But doing so realistically, of course. There's only 2 more weeks left of the How to Create Your Dream Space series. I hope you're getting some really great tips on not only how to design your dream space, but to help it come to fruition. Next week, we'll be purchasing. It's no longer about the concept work and creating, the shopping, or the sourcing. I want to help you purchase your dream pieces with confidence, knowing that these investments will add value to your home and life. So next week, I'll be breaking down some key things that you need to look for when specifying furniture, finishes, lighting, appliances, and some accessories. If you like this type of content and you're enjoying the series so far, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment below and let me know your experience in creating mood boards. Have you ever done it before? Do you prefer physical boards versus digital boards? Is there a digital way to create mood boards that I haven't spoken about in this video? I'd love to hear your feedback, so please drop me a line in the comments below. Please share this video with anyone you know who's embarking on a brand new interior design, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week.